Hello students, this is Amrinder Singh Johal, Assistant Professor in Automobile Engineering. Students, I welcome you to the Advanced Credit Program 2022 of Chandigarh University. I congratulate the proud parents also for making the right decision to reach the Chandigarh University. Dear students, finally you reach the right destination where you will be nurtured to make you all around the personality with professional skills blended with strong valued systems. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to you for the Advanced Credit Program 2022. So students, in this Advanced Credit Program 2022, we are going to understand the Autocad software. As the name suggests, it is a software deal with the designing of the mechanical, automobile, and mechatronics equipments. As we know that today is the era of designing, and designing is not done by the handmade sheets, but instead of that, we are using some softwares which we which are helpful to make our design very comfortable and up to high levels. So AutoCAD is one of the software to make the designs of automobile equipments, like we have the auto cars, and mechanical equipments like we have anything in the mechanical dealing like thermal or heat transfer, whatever we have. So in this software, we are going to understand how AutoCAD is helpful to make the designs of automotive equipments. So AutoCAD is the software which is designed by the Autodesk, and Autodesk is the name of the company based at the USA. So basically, we have in this advanced credit program, we have a little bit introduction to AutoCAD. And AutoCAD have lot of versions. It is not only AutoCAD, it is a versions of AutoCAD. We have a AutoCAD initially like 2007, and presently in the year 2022, we have the version of AutoCAD that is 2022. So what are the benefits of AutoCAD? So as I already explained, it is a designed software. It will give you a quickly created designs. With the help of this software, you can make your designs in automotives, in mechanical, whatever you want to make. Even you can make the architectural designs with the help of this software. So it is a whole created software for all the engineering fields. And it also improves the quality over hand drafting. Because when you make the designs with the help of hand, there is always a chance of errors. But with the help of this AutoCAD software or any another design software, you can make a quality design. And you can also customize to suit the individual's need, because every individual has its own needs. Every user use the software by its own means. It teaches a marketable skills, because whenever you go to the market to send your or to sell your equipment, you need a very good quality presentation of your product. So it helps by the AutoCAD. Students, this is a AutoCAD screen. Okay, when you open the AutoCAD software, it will look like this. Okay, so here you can see this at the one, you will find that this is a symbol for the AutoCAD software. And second, you can save your files, whatever you designed in AutoCAD, you can save over there. Okay. And in the third, you will find this is a system tools we have. And four, this is the name of the AutoCAD. You can see this is AutoCAD written over there. And in the five, you will find this is the layers. Layers in AutoCAD, you can make your drawings one by one. So once I explain the AutoCAD in the coming lectures, you will find that I will explain the layers. So for time being, just understand we have layers in the AutoCAD. 6 is a complete screen. This white is the complete screen where you make your drawings, okay, your designs, whatever you want to make. And in the downside, in the 8th way, where the 8 symbol is there, 8 is for the command bar. Okay. So command bar is just for the wherever you want to make a line, you want to make a circle, you want to make a arcs, whatever you want to make, you can just write over here and automatically your screen is covered with that particular command. And in the ninth, you have the status bar, that what could be the status of your drawing you have. Okay, so this is a AutoCAD screen. After that, you have the AutoCAD workspace. Workspace is nothing. It is a just for your space where you going to work. Okay, so AutoCAD is with 2D drafting. 2D drafting means two-dimensional drafting. Students, we have the 2D and 3D drafting. In the 3D, like you want to make a cuboid or you want to make a cylindrical shapes, and that is a 3D. But if you want to make a rectangle, lines, ellipse, that is a 2D drafting. And annotation workspace. Annotation means you are going to give the dimensions of that. See, if you have a circle, circle have a radius, circle have a diameter, okay, or maybe a circumference, okay, and you have the center of that particular circle. So that is the dimensions of that particular circle. So with the help of annotation tool, you can provide the dimensions to that. So this is a AutoCAD with 3D modeling. So whenever you want to make a 3D objects like cylindrical shapes or cuboid shapes or any other shapes, then you have to open this type of workspace. So this is a classic workspace active. So students, presently we have a interface of the AutoCAD in different way, but in the previous or the old versions of AutoCAD, like I'm talking about AutoCAD 2007, we have the classic workspace. So this could be the workspace of the AutoCAD classic, but presently in the new era, or you can say that in the present era, we have a little bit different interface, which I'm going to show in this video also. So this is a setting the workspace. So with the help of some process, you can set your workspace. Like you have to start the AutoCAD, okay, and then you are going to make a default drawing or on the quick access toolbar, like here. You can see this in the downside. I have explained this thing. Then click new and select a CAD. A CAD means say you are going to say ACAD dot DWT imperial or ACAD ISO DWT metric. So metric and imperials are the units of nothing else as a template file. So then after then you are click the workspace settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the AutoCAD window, select 2D drafting and annotation. So in this way, you can set the workspace. I also explain in the software as well how to set this workspace. Then you have some keyboards inputs. See, once you are starting with the help of AutoCAD, you will find that your right hand will covered with the mouse, but your left hand is mostly free. So you can also, with the help of keyboard inputs, you can make your drawings quickly. Okay, so these are some of the inputs by the keyboards. So this is a user interface layout. So many students will ask that, what is interface? Interface is nothing, students. It is just an interaction between you and your softwares. When you are here and you will find that you are doing some work on the AutoCAD, then AutoCAD will give you a screen over there. That screen is basically an interface of AutoCAD. In the another way, you can find that if you are using Microsoft Word, Excel, when you open the Microsoft Word, you will find that whatever the open on your screen, on your laptop or computer desktop, that is the interface of the Microsoft Word. So in the same way, we have the interface for the AutoCAD as well. Okay, so whenever you open the AutoCAD, whatever open as it is, that is an interface. Interface means it is an interaction between you are the user, and you are using the AutoCAD. So command window, I already explained. Command window is nothing, just you have to write the whatever the commands you want to make. Means if you want to make a line, if you want to make a circle, if you want to make an ellipse, okay, if you want to make any polygon like pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon, whatever. So just write over there in the command line bar, you can make anything. Now it is just to save the files after making your design has been created. You just go to the files and you are going to save it as you, because if you do not save your files, there is no need to work. Okay, so you have to save your files with the help of this file commands. Okay, thank you.